Welcome to the overview video for Pacific Point, the 129-acre government property located in Auburn, Washington. Pacific Point is located 25 miles south of downtown Seattle and 15 miles from the SeaTac Airport. The property has easy access to State Routes 18 and 167, as well as Interstate 5. Sounder commuter train station is 1 mile, 4 minutes by car, 15-minute walking. Nearby are several manufacturing and distribution centers for companies such as UPS, Starbucks, Safeway, Bear, Boeing, Amazon, Costco, and REI. Pacific Point is 90 miles from Mount Rainier, and other recreational opportunities are nearby. The property has frontage on C Street and 15th Street Southwest. Adjacent to the property is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Rail Yard. It's also close to the Auburn Municipal Airport and the Port of Tacoma. The administration building is 2 stories, consisting of approximately 105,000 square feet. There is a 7,000 square foot daycare center separate from the main building. Building 7 is a renovated warehouse converted to a 210,000 square foot office building. The 129-acre property has 11 structures, totaling approximately 1.5 million square feet. There are 7 large warehouses that were built in the 1940s, ranging in size from 169,000 to 174,000 square feet. Pacific Point has 2 existing rail spurs that provide rail access to a BNSF rail line and the other to Union Pacific. For more information regarding Pacific Point, please go to realestatesales.gov or email at pacificpoint@gsa.gov. GSA appreciates your participation in the sale.